This remarkable vehicle embodies many things. It is a legendary warrior, a most fascinating example of automotive history. Come the 1930s, racing participation by the Mercedes-Benz factory was on the decline. That said, however, there was no loss of energy, merely a shift of focus. Interest in producing an affordable passenger vehicle was soon to become their priority, and their answer to this desire was the nimble, refined, revolutionary 170. Featuring independent suspension, low-cut doors and a sloping trunk, the car was powered by their reliable 1.9-litre inline 4-cylinder engine. This mated to a ZF 4-speed gearbox. Following a few modifications, a valuable byproduct of this car's minimalist yet innovative design was its suitability for the highly competitive Alpine trial events. These known for their brutal mountain routes, challenging in the extreme and a source of national pride if won. By 1938, mainly German brands were represented in these sporting trials, but the competitions were no less intense for that. These highly popular events tested man and machine to and beyond the brink of failure. What better way to judge and boast of the mettle of a competing vehicle? So, what makes this one particular vehicle so coveted? Well, having been meticulously restored, this spectacular 1938 Mercedes-Benz Gelandesport 170VS Alpine Racer was chairman's choice at the 2019 Amelia Island Concours d'Elegance. It is the only remaining example of 10 specifically factory-built 1938 Mercedes-Benz Gelandesport 170VS Alpine racers to compete in that year's grueling 3-day 1,600-kilometre Alpine rally. And Mecum Auctions is proud to offer this true automotive treasure.